Now, students, I'm going to show you how to collect the items that are falling. So hopefully by this point you have a sprite that you can control with your arrows and some items that are falling. If you don't have those, then go ahead and do those tutorials first. Now, let's think about what we want to happen here. If we get the banana, then we want it to go back to the top. So keyword there was if. So somewhere in our draw function here, if we get the banana. So how do we know if we get the banana? Well, we're touching the banana. So if, in my case, it's the monkey is touching banana, then, well, what do we want to happen? Well, we want to, first of all, add 1 to our score. So I'm going to say score equals score plus 1. Now, right away, I'm getting an error because I don't have yet a variable called score, so make sure you have a variable called score. Once again, that was the var x command, var score equals, and so this one should start at 0. But every time we touch the banana, we'll get a score and plus 1. Okay, what else do we want to happen? Well, if we get the banana, we want it to go back to the top. So how do we change how high the sprite is? Up and down. Remember, that is the y property. So banana dot y equals -50. So now you'll see it's going back up to the top. However, we don't want it to just go to the same spot every time, so we also want the x value to be random. You see, just like we did down here. So if the banana gets past us, it's going to go to a random spot, like you see on line 26 here. Okay, so it's going to a random spot. But we also want it to go to a random spot if we touch it. So we also need a sprite.x or banana.x equals random number code. And we want it anywhere on the screen, so that's from 0 to 400. All right. Okay. So now you'll see when I get it, it goes to the top in a random spot. Now, we haven't displayed the score yet, so we don't know that we're getting points, but that's for another tutorial. Look for the tutorial on how to display a score. All right, perhaps you also want to add a sound when you get it. I wonder if there's like a monkey sound. Let's see, animals. Please, monkey. Yes. Okay, so now whenever I get the banana, I get a point. It goes to the top, and I'll play a fun sound. All right, good luck, everybody.